You what?
And I gave it to
You gave me what? I'm confused. I'm confused. I'm confused.
not my fault.
What did you do?
I'm trying to get that thing. I want to do it now. Let's do it.
What thing?
Huh?
What thing?
The thing. Look, it's stupid. We talked about it. What did you wait? What did you do today when you came here?
I told you it was raining.
You want a cigarette before you go?
No, I just had one.
Oh. Okay, well, let's do what we have to do.
Okay.
Huh?
What do we have to do?
What?
What do we have to do?
We told you. We told you.
We did?
Me did. You did. You and me. It's a singing. Okay. Are you ready now? Come on, Clement. You can't. You can't be doing it.
I'm still trying to figure out why you came over with a towel and started laughing.
Huh?
I'm still trying to figure out why you came over with a towel and you're like, I got you.
That's fun.
Huh?
That's fun. That wasn't funny?
I don't know. I mean, it's funny to you.